Hey everybody, I'm just going to give you an update really quickly on my craft room. I'm not going to go into detail in everything just because a lot of it is still the same. I just kind of moved things around. Got a couple new units, the Alex units, and I switched my desk from, used to be on this side, switched it to this side because my room has like this window type thing here, and it was easier to put my lights through it rather than try to figure out where I'm going to stand them up in my room, because my room is pretty small and we do rent, so I didn't want to mount anything on the ceiling or anything, but eventually I will do that. But alright, so this is a look at my room, and it is, you know, I love having my space. It's not that big, but it definitely works for me. So I'm going to try to go quick. All of this is still pretty much the same. So I won't go into detail on that. But I have my cameo, and then my papers and embellishments, more paper pads down there. And while I'm here and I see it and I remember, a lot of people ask me how I store my layouts. I do have a few of these frames from Prima. They're 12 by 12, and I just take the glass out of them, and then whatever layout that I'm working on or that I finished or that I really love, then I'll put it in here for now. And then unfortunately for now, the rest go in boxes in a closet. So that's that. Alright, so I'm just going to come around here. I do have a bigger one of these for my stamps, and this is just kind of random stamps. I haven't organized them like I want yet. And then I got these from Ikea. This one has a lot of random flowers in it. This one's empty. These are just random extra things. Coming around here. Flowers still in these top three bins. The bottom bin is dyes. So before I didn't really use a lot of dyes, but I have been using them a lot lately, so I needed a spot for them. So I shoved all my flowers in these three. See, and I can't close it now that I opened it. And then I have my spot for my Loungefly backpacks. Love them. Alright, so coming here, this is new. I just stacked another one of these, the Calyx, I think it's called the Calyx unit, on top. And then I have, it's not focusing, there it goes. My Altenew, like most of the time when I get new stamps, I just put them here, and then, so yeah, that's what these are. And then I have my Prima chalk inks. I did have them up higher, but I realized that I really do love them and I need to use them more, so I put them here. And then these are all my stencils. Up here I have my finished cards in just this, I forget what they're called, but you get them on Amazon. And then kind of a little bit of my nerdiness here, my Star Wars and Ninja Turtles, stuff like that. And I'm gonna come down here, and this is where I am most likely going to keep my real brush pens, whether they're the Arteza or Zigs. And then Abby likes to color with the color pencils, so that's why those are there. And then my what are those, acrylic paints. I need to do a video on those, so that's why those are right there. And then here I just have my Platinum 6, my spellbinders, and an album, and I'm not exactly sure what's in there. Here is my camera bag, just so that I can have easy access to it. And I'm sorry for all of the dust. It is very dusty, and these black, when in the video it shows up super dirty, but Anyways, alright, so these haven't really changed much. They're the same, so if you want to check out how those are stored, the bins in my Calyx units, what they have in them, then be sure to check out the last video. My Ikea Ruskov cart is still basically the same. I have my Altenew alcohol markers, dilution sprays, distress sprays, and this is new. So here for now I have my inks, which I realize that I have too many to store in one shelf, so it's definitely not going to work, so I have to figure something else out. Here is like glitters, mica powders, things like that. This is tools, so I keep my, what is this called? Scoreboard, stamp platform, and then this little trimmer that I love. And I don't think, oh, here I have my India inks, and then these pink pens. Nothing in there yet. And down here I have all of my acrylic paints. So I have my impasto paints, our alchemy, oh, and also my Nouveau Mousse, and my Delusions, and the art alchemy wax down here. Here I have some extra paper, chipboard, and then the travel stamp platform over there. Here I have, see, I keep forgetting what I have where. Alright, so here I have my washi tapes, and I have more back here. I'm slowly getting these sequins. Sorry, it's not focusing. And my Nouveau drops, and then random strings, things like that. Here I have embossing powders, alcohol inks, and my color burst powders. Here is adhesives and just a couple random things that I needed to just put in there. Oh, let me just show you really quick. So scrapbook.com has amazing adhesive. So I have a lot of that. Let's see, in here is kind of random. Rubber bands, cheesecloth, extra envelopes. Oh, it's stuck. So this is kind of, again, another random. Definitely have to try to figure out different places for this. But this has just random stuff, honestly. Alright, down here, those are the bins that I've had for quite some time, and they haven't changed, so I won't be showing those. And oh, I forgot, over here is my little spinny thing. Just have all my tools, my paint brushes, scissors, things like that. And then I keep my big trimmer over on this side, and that's Abby's little cat pencil holder. And moving on to my computer, my laptop, and then it sits on a dock, and then it puts it on my, what is that called? My computer monitor. And let's see, then my desk. I love how big my desk is, and I hope I'm not making you guys dizzy. It's early in the morning. I haven't finished my coffee and everybody's still sleeping, so I figured that I would just try to make this video. But as you could see here, that's where my lights are now. And then my tripod I stick on the opposite side as well, and then it just kind of sticks over and hangs over. It's been working really well, except when I feel like well, I haven't done it in a long time, but when I feel like I want to do a lot of videos it kind of stays that way, and then like when people come over I have to move it and stuff like that. So all right, so this side is definitely not done yet. Haven't done anything on the top drawer. This is just kind of random. I want my foam there, and then extra little pieces that I color or die cut out or something, then I have them right there. Man, my camera is being something else today. Then all of my little stamp blocks. And here is all of my mixed media, gessos, crackle paste, all that sort of thing. Let's see what's in here. Watercolors. This, well, a couple of these actually are still the same as I had previously, because I did have one of these and then I just got another one. And then down here I have baby wipes, glue gun, heat tools, things like that. So I feel like this video is twice as long as it should have been, but that's all right. And I hope I don't make you guys dizzy. But oh, up here, I don't think I showed up here. It's kind of random. So when I talk about the jars that I have full of different little metal pieces and stuff, that's what I'm talking about. So I have a few different ones. Some of them have resin in them, some of them have like this one has like all wood pieces in it, things like that. So all right, that is my little craft room. Did I show up here? Oh, I did show up there. Yeah, that's my Rode mic. When I do voiceovers, that's what I use. So that's it. If I do anything extreme, again, like getting different furniture or we move or something like that, I'll share another video. But until then, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.